like them?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's up, guys?
We're here.
Welcome to my video. We're doing a how-to, or how I take my Instagram pictures, and she's the one who helps me with it. And I'm basically gonna be taking you guys with me all day. We're in Pasadena right now, so we're gonna be taking pictures. This is the first outfit, but yeah. Finish our outfit number 3. We have 4 more.
Spilling some of the tea. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move it.
I have to close my eyes.
Yeah. And then you're just gonna go. Okay.
Ready?
Ready? Don't touch, bitch.
Okay, so just go like this.
Okay, ready?
Like right now?
No, I'll say go. Ready?
Okay.
Set. Go.
Where is it? It's not even. Alright.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Is it close to me?
Ready, set, go.
Alright, one more.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Okay, that was 3 times the charm, guys. Here's our little closet. Put our stuff here. I finished with this outfit. It has been a successful shooting day. It is currently 2:16 and it's like 77 degrees outside.
Hello, California. It's
and it's
winter.
like January, but I'm not complaining because Ralph is like, it's 18 degrees outside. So
Sorry, Superman.
sorry, Superman. But yeah, so now we're on our way. We just shot this outfit. I really love this working space. Good morning, guys. Hello, welcome to a new week of vlog. I am on my way to this local camera store near my place because I finally finished 2 of my disposable cameras, and I'm so excited to get them developed. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop those off. Then I'm gonna get some lunch from this poke place that I always go to. I filmed the video, that's why I have like full face of makeup on. I usually don't like put makeup on when I'm just like running errands. This week is my last week of freedom before I go back to school, and my spring schedule is literally looking like hell. So pray for your girl. Instructions.
Yeah,
Right, guys.
So it doesn't look like there's still acne there. We're going.
Hey guys, what's up? So I just wanted to come on here and sit down. Why do I feel like I'm getting sick, or like I feel like I just like sneeze, and you know how sometimes when you sneeze you can tell when you're about to get sick? I feel like that was like me 3 seconds ago. I got a PR package from Victoria's Secret Pink Apparel and Victoria's Secret Pink Beauty, and I just wanted to unbox them here because I have loved Victoria's Secret Pink for the longest time. Love them as a brand in general. So here's the PR package from VS Pink. I'm actually working with Victoria's Secret Pink Beauty on a 3-month campaign with them. I just jumped on a brand deal with Victoria's Secret Pink Apparel. I finally got the packages and I wanted to open them with you guys. So these are the products so far. I love the color. Little loofah, so cute. Scented mist perfume, cute. This is what it looks like. And then we have this one right here. Thank you so much to Victoria's Secret Pink for sending all of these. I'm so excited to be working with them. I'm just like, they know I exist, and I'm screaming internally. What's up, guys? Hello, good morning. It is an early day of filming today, and thank you, Nika. Honestly, I don't know what I would do right now without my content. So today we're filming an outfit of the week video for you guys. We're headed to, should I even say this? You know, I don't even go there. Yeah. Neither of us go there. So we're going to CSUN to shoot this outfit of the week / or college edition, and I'm working with Victoria's Secret Pink, so I'm going to be filming this outfit right here. But yeah, so we woke up super early because Nika has work at 1:30 and I have to be somewhere at 3 as well. So yeah, it's an early day. I didn't sleep till like 4 last night because because I was like FaceTiming, bro. And you know, priorities. Love. How was your date last night?
It was good.
Where'd you guys go?
We just went to Santa Monica. We just had the worst dinner I've ever had.
Really?
Holy guys, don't go to Silver Lake Ramen. Everyone's been hyping that place up crazy, like the original location.
Yeah.
And then I saw they had one in Santa Monica, so we just like tried it on a whim, and it was like top ramen tastes better. Like we didn't even like
service was bad, or like the
service was
bad?
like even whatever. Honestly, they didn't even pay attention to us, and then like the food was so bad. Like we didn't even fit. Like 10 minutes in, we paid and left.
Oh really?
Yeah, it was so bad. We ended up getting in and out on the way home.
Oh my god.
Don't go there, guys.
Alright, so don't go there, guys.
But good
There's your
day.
review of the day, Mika. What's up, guys? 2 hours later, and we finished filming. I can barely see the screen, but thank you so much, B.
Hi, anytime.
So we're gonna go get some lunch, aka Chick-fil-A, because we're near the area. Hi.
Oh.
Where's JR? Oh, there he is. Hi.
Super comfortable. It's lined with satin. If it's only a day price.
Good morning, guys. I just got this PR package from Forever 21, and I'm so excited to be working with them on a collab. And oh my gosh, Farina, I'm so excited to be collabing with you. Can't wait to see your bomb ass content. Hope you love all these pieces. P.S. I threw in some Riley Rose goodies for you to enjoy. Thank you so much. Here we go. We have some items from Riley Rose. This is from the brand Cosmetica. This is a vitamin C prep and tone facial toner. Then we have this one from the same brand, and this is a mineral enzyme exfoliant. Then these are the pieces that I got. This one, Heartbreaker, and more items here, which you will see me post these on my Instagram and in haul videos, so just, you know, wait for those. But yeah, so follow me on my Instagram because you always see outfits from there. But yeah, thank you so much to Forever 21 for giving this PR package. Honestly, I'm like screaming internally because I shop at Forever 21 and they know I exist now. Alright guys, this is our new car. LOL, Casey left Casey's side.
Let's do this.
Car vlogs.
We are strong women who can drive big trucks. You know what they say about girls who can drive big trucks?
I don't. Alright guys.
Whoa, look at the back. Give a tour. Give it
Guys.
a tour.
Welcome to our new
Welcome to our new car.
We're going on a road trip. We're road tripping today.
You should do what you did with your Honda.
So
This is our cage.
and this is our driver.
Alright.
And over here.
Name of Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. Where we go?
Say hello to the vlog.
Is it recording? Oh god!
Okay, wait.
Oh my god. Got me on candid camera.
I think the hardest part is the cabinet. See, we can do this. Independent women.
I think I put a bra on.
Holy freaking cannoli. Yeah.
Oh my god, alright, so this is what I
What?
What? Alright guys, it's been a long day. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Guys!
I mean, we did it! Is that a bad word? We did it! We did it! What did we do?
We just
Oh my
carried
God.
this on 4 flights of stairs.
Yo, it was our day.
Just us.
Oh my gosh.
I
That's great. You know, we didn't need any friends.
You don't need no man.
We don't need no guy friends to help us. We did. This is like a freaking... How much do you think this weighs?
Like 100 something.
Oh my God, Farina, we did this!
We did it!
I can't believe it! Just us two! We've been moving since 10 a.m. and we're not done!
To my friends out there, just letting you know, we did it. Without you guys.
Farina, look here. What did we do?
We did it!
Farina, look here. What did we do?
Okay, we did it. We are returning the U-Haul, guys.
We did it all on our own.
We did it on our
A
own.
heavy ass bed.
And 2 mattresses. Her
And
cabinet.
The cabinet was like how?
The cabinet is probably literally like both our weight combined. That heavy, and up 4 flights of stairs. So
You know what this
come for us.
This means
We don't need no man.
we
in
can
our
do
life.
whatever we can, whatever we put our mind to.